Good morning, everyone. This is Grizzly from Team Bull. Hope you all had a great week trading, followed your trading plan, hit your daily and weekly goals. I know a lot of you made great money because I've seen it in the gain section this week in the Discord. For those of you who had losing trades, just make it a learning experience. Break down why you lost. Write it down in your journal. Learn from it. Do not let it get you down. I promise you, everyone has losing trades. I guarantee you some of my losing trades have been a lot larger than the ones you had this week. What separates them from now is I learned from them, and my discipline has improved. I follow my day trading plan. My day trading plan does not allow me to have losses as big as I did when I began day trading. Now, before I go into this, I want to say those of you that stick around, I'm going to give you a quick run through at the end of this video of my day trading option setup. The setup allows me to scalp stocks using options. I can be in and out within seconds. For those of you interested in that, please stick around. Now, this video, the reason for this video is to talk about Tesla. I was looking through my watch list this morning, looking for potential swing trades and day trades for the upcoming week, and Tesla really caught my eye. Now let me tell you why. For those of you who are familiar, this is a symmetrical triangle. The reason I know this is making lower highs and it's making higher lows. Okay? To me, it looks like we're almost to the end of this triangle. And we got earnings next week, and I think it could give us that little nudge we need to, help us break out of this. I would like to see a good break for a potential swing trade entry. Now, while we're on the subject of earnings, I want to say I never trade based on earnings ever. I don't YOLO for earnings. I don't. Reason being, a lot of options already include earnings into their premium. Okay, so if you're buying options for next week, they've done got the price of this included, what they expect to happen. In some rare instances, yes, you can make some great money like on Snap this week, but it's risky, very risky, and I just don't like throwing my money away like that. It'd be better just to follow what you know and do things right. But if that's what you like doing, it's your money. I'm just saying I don't personally. Now let's get off that subject. But I'm gonna be watching Tesla for a break, and you all should be too. A symmetrical triangle is neither bearish nor bullish. The only thing that confirms this is when it breaks. If it breaks up here, then it's a bullish. Breaks down here, it's bearish. I'm going to touch on my RSI for just a minute. I have this pulled up. We're looking at the daily chart. If you didn't know, each one of these candles represents one day. But my RSI, I like to keep it pulled up not only to show me what's overbought and oversold, but it helps me to catch divergences. And I'm only mentioning this for those of you who are not familiar with divergences. This will be something good for you to research this weekend, learn about. Now, I'm done talking about this. We all know Tesla's got looking good. We're going to be watching it this week. Now I'm going to show you my setup for trading options. I'm not going to go super into details, and I know there used to be a video in the options education tab in the Discord for this setup. You just have to scroll back and find it. I don't know exactly where it is. Let's take a look. Okay, I got my charts, my level 2 over here. And this is Thinkorswim, by the way, by TD Ameritrade. And this is my active trader. I have it set up to trade options. I go right here. Say I want to look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Well, here we are. And this is next week expiration. Say I just want to do, this is calls and puts. Say I want to buy 645 call. Next week expiration. I just click there. You can see it pops it up here. I do have my hotkey set up for this, but I'm going to show you how you would do this if you was to use, if you're just going to click and do it like, with your mouse. If I want to do a limit sell, you're in this section here. If I want to, usually the price is highlighted, what the current price is. So let's get off 100. Say I want 5 calls. I just click here, buy 5. And you're going to buy 5 Tesla 645 calls at the price of 22.55. Same thing. If I want to sell, I'll go over here and sell. If I know where I'm going to take profit, I can click sell, and it's going to sell automatically when it reaches that. Same thing if I want to set a stop loss. I go down here, click, sell. That way if it drops back on me, it automatically will sell. I'm not going to lose more money than my trading plan allows. Or I can go up here. If I want to buy market, if I want to buy 5 market, I'm going to click here, buy 5 market. If I want to sell 5 market, I'm going to sell, click here. If I want to change my quantity with these buttons, if I want to go J-Dunn style and buy 100 contracts, I just click here, buy market, I'm in 100 contracts, or buy the ask for a better price most of the time. If I want to get in a trade really quickly, I buy market. If I want to get out of a trade really quickly, I'm going to sell market. You don't always get the best price, but it's going to get you in and out the quickest. So yeah, this is it. This is my setup. For those of you that have any questions, hit my comments or my DMs. Always be sure to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm going to leave some links to my other videos and my Twitter in the description, so check them out. I hope you all have an amazing weekend.